Well, welcome back. This is Kazo Design Online Training. Like I tell you, we are drafting a baby pattern on how to make a baby pattern. Now we've gotten the sole of the pattern. Then now what we want to get is the top because we're making a baby loafers. So we want to get the top of it, which is this, the top, how to achieve this one. That's what we want to do. First of all, for you to get it, you have to take your measurement. Like if I tell you, if you're making for a baby to this one with this pattern will make is for 0 to 3 months baby. Through this one you can get your 6 months, 4 to 6 months pattern of a baby tube, because the only differ there how to get that one is just that you have to add half inches to, let me say, half inches. For instance, this one is 4 to a quarter. Then if you want to get that one, you're going to add what, half inches, and if you're adding half inches, it's going to be what, 4 6 quarter here. You see, like you see it here, you're going to get this half, not close to 5, but it's not 5 but close to 5. This is what you're going to get if you want to get for 4 to 6 months baby. So this is what you get. Each of them you'll be adding half to it till you get to 12 months. You'll be adding half to it, but this one is for the, first of all, if I like having this pattern because with this one I can get the rest of them. All you do is just to what, add half to it, half inch to them. Then what we want to do now, I want to get our cover. The cover we want to get is this. Now we're going to get, like I tell you, this one is 4 and 2 inch to it, to it. Let me use the word maybe that is what you understand more. This is it. Then what you are going to do now, we are going to add, because normally if this one is not bigger than this one, it's not bigger than this one, like you see this one, because this one is another pattern I made separate before. If it's not bigger than this one, like this, there's no way you can clip to the back to cover your shoe like this. So you are going to add extra inch. So I'm going to add half inch to it. It's better you have excess than not have at all. I'm going to add extra inch. That is, I'm going to make it, let me say, okay, let me just make it 5. Or you can see, then you are going to rule it. That is your length for what, the cover. You rule it. Now the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to come down, please note it is on fold. I fold it so that you're not going to make mistake. I fold it. You fold your cardboard paper, your pattern paper. Now I'm going to take from here, I'm going to measure down 1.5. Please take note, is 1.5. I did 1.5. This 1.5, at the place of this 1.5, I will take half inches. Half inches. I will measure half inches like this. Then I'll rule. Place of the 1.5, please note it. So it's the place of the what, 1.5. I mentioned the half inches. Then at this place, I'm going to take what, sorry to say, here is half inches. I'm going to take the same half I took there now. But at this place, I'm going to measure at the end of my shoe. I'm going to measure, let me say, half of half. Half of half. Hope you are seeing it. Half of half. I'm going to measure half of half. The half of half I'm going to measure now. And I'm going to take my line and I'm going to trace it. Meet lines to lines. Meet the line to line. Like you can see now. Line meeting line. Then at this edge, I'm going to make a curve. I'm going to make a curve. You can choose to take it down, or it's your choice. If you want the shoe to be over covered, you're going to take it down. So I'm going to take it like this. Then at this edge of it, I'm going to minus, let me say, a little out of it. Let me say I'll minus, let me just take half of half, which is quarter, minus quarter out of it. The quarter and minus, now I'm going to slant it. I'm going to slant it. You see what I did? I slant it. Now from this place we took 1.5 down. So that 1.5 we took now, that is what we use here. But following what you see now, you can see what I'm doing. You follow it like this, the 1.5. Please, you follow the 1.5. Please know this is just a pattern. We have not add any excess, nothing to it. It's just pattern cutting we are just doing. When you want to add to your shoe, you know what you do, add some excess, because when we get to that part you see them. Now this 1.5 will take now from this edge, you see, from the edge like this. I'm going to take this to meet my lines. You see what I'm doing? To meet your lines. Now the next thing you do now, you are going to cut heart. Please, if you are cutting heart, like you see this place, I what minus half, just make sure it has a curve. This place is not well curved. Make sure it has a curve, even though you are, make sure it have a curve, just only at the tip to give you that fine shape look. It has one, but you can leave it like that if you wish to. Now I'm going to cut heart now. I'm going to cut heart. I'm going to cut it out. Now we've gotten what? Our pattern for our what? And like I tell you, should be bigger than it, so that you can easily what? Clip to the back. You see the reason why I said it should be bigger than it, so that it can easily what? Clip to the back. Now we've what? Complete what? Our pattern. These are what we
If you
call our
like what you
baby
see, please
loafers
subscribe to my
pattern.
channel so that I can send you more videos. Thank you.